All right, welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here in the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants. And our guest of honor today is C. Welcome, C. Not too far from Maryland, so not a long drive.
Right.
We're going to have an awesome day today. Thank you so much for doing this and sharing your story with everybody. If you wouldn't mind just quick telling everybody why you're here and what you're looking to do today.
So I'm just looking to finally get my hairline filled in. I'm excited about finally getting to wear some nice styles and actually pull my hair back. I want a top bun. I want to wear one so bad.
Yeah. It's been too long.
It's been way too long.
Interesting, you have your sort of direct edges. You have sort of the baby fine hair around the direct edges. But as you said, it looks like there's sort of a band, a headband that's sort of ripped off and no hair behind it.
Exactly.
So that's what we're going to be working on today.
Mm-hmm.
So she's actually okay with the initial edges around the hairline, but we're going to be working on everything behind it. So that's actually going to save us some hair, which is nice because we have a decent amount to cover. Especially on this right side, I'm going to spin you around just so we can see it kind of extends beyond the ear. So as we talked before, we may not be able to get enough hair to cover the whole area.
Right.
Not having to bring it down too far will save us some of that hair that hopefully we can.
Right.
So that'll be the goal, but we'll go over kind of priorities, what's priority 1, what's priority 2, what's priority 3, because at some point we may run out of hair. And we're going to decide how we're going to handle that.
Oh,
okay?
all right.
You have awesome hair for this. I'm excited. We'll do some drawing, do some shaving if you'll let me, and then we'll check back in with you in a little bit.
All right.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right. Okay, so we are back with C. C, you're winding down. We have about 10 or 15 more minutes to go. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
You look very relaxed. I had some lunch and watched some TV shows.
Yeah.
Doing
definitely.
okay?
Yep.
Okay. I'm excited. I think it's going to look really, really nice. We got Zane and Kenza finishing up. We got about 10 more minutes to go. And then we'll wash you, and then we'll go next door. We'll go over all the results and check in with you there.
All right.
Okay?
Good.
All right. See you in a few. All right, Dr. Blumenthal back, and we are finished. See, congratulations, you made it. You did fantastic. We had a fun day today. It was a good time. At least fun on my side. How was the day for you, I should say?
It was good.
It was all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was good.
Excellent.
I
I'm going to zoom in here just so we can see. Again, we went right behind. You wanted to keep your sort of baby fine hair right around the edges, and we went right behind it. And when that grows back in, it should sort of seamlessly come into our 1 and 2 hair grafts, which is in that first row or two, and then behind it's all the 2 to 4 hair grafts all the way back. And we were able to get all the way in the back, so we got all the back, the grafts placed back there. We had enough because you had really good density on both sides, so that was good. I'm happy with that.
I know, it's all covered.
Show you the incision in the back here, a little bit oozing, which is normal. And that's going to look great. It's going to be blend in very nicely. You won't even see it.
Oh, nice.
Congratulations. Welcome to the family.
You.
Yeah, you did great.
I'm excited.
And any words of wisdom, anybody kind of on the fence or talking about it, thinking about it? Any recommendations for you?
Just do it. Just do it.
Just do it. Get it over. Yeah, awesome. Hopefully in a year from now, like we said, you'll have your edgeversity. You'll be able to put your hair up in a bun and send us pictures of it, okay?
Oh, most definitely.
Awesome. All right.
Thank you.
Take care. Thanks a lot for sharing your story again. All right. Bye-bye. Dr. Blumenthal back with you in the Bethesda office at Maryland at Natural Transplants, and I am thrilled. We have C joining us back again. Good to see you. How are you?
Nice to see you. Doing good. Doing really good.
So we did your surgery about a year ago, and quite a transformation. We'll put up the before pictures to show you and sort of overlay them on top of or next to you as well too, so you can see it. But wow, you went from just about nothing to really good result. How was the year? How'd the year treat you?
The year was actually good.
Yeah.
It started off slow,
yes.
And then I woke up and I was like, "Oh my God, I have hair there!"
Yes, hair, yeah, it's awesome. And you used to wear nothing but wigs. Now you don't wear wigs anymore, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, I don't wear wigs at all. I was like, I saved some money by not purchasing wigs.
Yeah, no kidding. Awesome. And how does it make you feel? Besides not wearing the wigs, like how has it sort of changed your life at all, if at all?
So, it changed my life dramatically. now, like, I have so much more confidence. I'm trying styles that I've never tried before.
Very cool.
Just being at work or being around, everybody's always seen me with a wig. So now when I take, I'm out with my hair, they're like, oh gosh, she does have hair. She's not bald in there.
That's right.
So it was kind of like a reveal for everybody, but awesome. It's been absolutely amazing.
That's so cool. Well, if you wouldn't mind, do me a favor and just sort of look down for me. 1 or 2 seconds,
sure.
Put your head down there. Awesome. And then I'll have you look to the right 1 or 2 seconds and just hold it. There you go. And then, yep, there, perfect. And then other direction. And then center a little bit more. I'm kind of seeing your ear. There we go. Yep.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Perfect. Beautiful. Very nice. Fantastic. And then, and you were saying me that you were telling me that the hairdresser couldn't see the scar in the back, couldn't find it. That's not been an issue for you.
You can't find the scar at all.
Very nice.
It's gone.
So happy.
I don't even know where the scar is.
That's great. Oh, awesome. And again, going from what you had, which was basically nothing, to that is, I mean, it's remarkable. We can, like you said, free up, wear hairstyles you want to wear instead of covering it with a wig all the time. That's great.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Good. I mean, what a transformation. Thank you so much for doing this and sharing your story with everybody. Any sort of words of encouragement or advice for somebody that's kind of looking around, looking to sort of interested in this?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Do it. Just do it. Don't think twice. Just do it.
I'm the same way.
I waited 10 years too long.
I feel the same way. I did my second one about a month ago, so I know how you feel. Just I wish I'd done it sooner. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
That's my only regret. I should have did it sooner.
Yeah. See, thank you so much. You look fantastic. I'm so thrilled for you. We're here if you need us again, okay?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Enjoy. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.